Yeah! This is exactly why we do this. It's Wheelcollectors, your favorite. It is currently almost 1:30 in the morning. It has been a long day. But guess what? These are the kind of days that we really like. We got several things in today. We got P case. We got Q case, which has never happened before, to get two basic cases in one day. And we got the brand new Matchbox Power Grabs too. So, first video is going to be right here, the P case. We're going to pop this bad boy open, and you're going to be able to see what is inside P case. Here we go. Here is a top-down view of this thing. Let's see if you can get a good look there. A little glare tonight. Okay, as usual, when we do the basic cases, we're going to go 3x3. Let's see what we got here. Oh, there is a fan favorite, the Bugatti. We have that in case. Here's the hologram. Here's the custom 56 Ford truck. Next three cars in the case are another 56 Ford truck, the Honda Civic Type R, which has been insanely popular, and the Solar Reflex. The next three cars, there's the kit cart. Here's two that you guys are going to be super excited about. The first one is the Alpine A110. Check that out. Comes in a pretty cool blue color. Definitely going to have to get one of these for my case. The next one is the Tesla Model 3. Check that out. My kids are obsessed with Teslas. The person across the street has two of them. So they grill the neighbors about their Teslas. All right, the next three cars are all from previous cases right here, it looks like. We got the Runway Rescue. We've got the Exotic. And we've got the Croc Rod. The next three, okay, it looks like those two have been in the cases before. The Robo Race Robo Car and the El Viento. This right here is pretty sweet. Check this out. Ford Focus RS. Got the RS in like a nice little blue metallic. The blue metallic stripe on the top. That's cool. The next three cars, again, we've had all these before. The Solar Reflex. The Honda Civic Type R, and the Skyboat. There's the Robo Race Robo Car again, and then two bot wheels. The Exotic again. Here we go. I think this Roadster, new color. And then we've had this before, the Piranha. Next three cars The T-Rex Destroyer, Evil Weevil, and the High Beam. Here we go. Recolor of the Golf 18 Custom Ford Mustang GT. It's got that wicked racing spoiler on the front, or front ground effect, fender flare. I'm not exactly sure what you call that. That's pretty sweet. Got the rapid responder, and then you got the Sandivore. The next three are the Buick Riviera, the Z-Rod, and the Rapid Responder, all of which I think have been in previous cases. Then the last three in the case are the Morris Mini, the T-Rex Destroyer, and the Buick Riviera. That Morris Mini is new. That's pretty sweet. Okay, here's the divider. We'll check out the bottom half of this thing. See if you can get a top-down view of this thing here without the glare. There we go. Okay. Second half of the case, 3x3. Here we go. We got 2 track rippers and a 65 Mustang Fastback 2x2. Check that out. The next three are the ever popular Audi RS5 Coupe, 2 of those, and then a Rig Heat. The next three are, there's 2 Dark Knight Batmobiles, and then an Olds 442 W30, the kind of Monster Jam wheels on it. The next three are the Corvette Grand Sport, which I believe is new, the Mazda RX-7, and the Croc Rod. Here we go. The next three are Bogzilla, and then check that out. Whew. That is the Range Rover Velar. That is sick. That's going to be a good one, guys. Oh, look at that. It's got a little flake on the windshield. The next three are the Porsche Panamera Police, the Z-Rod, and the Flash Drive. The next three are the Runway Rescue and the Tesla Model S from last case. 2 of those. Then with the next three are 2 Mach Speeders. And this is sweet. This is a recolor of the Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. Check those stripes out. That's a very nice one. And a couple more in the case. Oh yeah, here we go. Got the Baja Hauler, which you guys have seen before. But then you got 2 of the Aston Martin Vulcan. Check that out. That is nice. Okay, we're down to the last 9 in the case. Gets a little unwieldy when you got 72 cars to deal with here. We've got the orange McLaren Senna, which was something that we've had before. Ford Ranchero. In the last 6. 2 Hot Wheel Pursuits. And the insane Bugatti, of course. And then we've got 2 Surf and Turfs and another El Viento. So, there we go. Guess what? I'm going to go ahead and do the Q case here in a few minutes after I load this one up. But I just want to show you a couple of the highlights from the Q case here. Or, sorry, the P case. There you go, guys. Thanks again for joining us. It's been a good day, but a long day. Q case is on deck. Thank you.